Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte Foundation for my face. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Show me love, support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. God bless you. Thank you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. Next, I'm using Elegant Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my cheek and contour my nose too. Blend, blend. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set my highlight and bake as well. Next, I'm using CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to bronze my cheek, my forehead. Next, I'm cleaning up the powder from my nose contour to define it more. Next is brow time. I'm using Davis brow pencil in number 3 for my brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up my brows to define the brows more. Next, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Ezekiel Cosmetics for my eyes. First, I'm using a brown shade as my transition color for my crease. Next, I'm using a darker brown shade for my outer crease and my inner crease. Next, I'm using the yellow shade for my lid in the middle part for my eyelid. This yellow shade is not coming out well the way I want it. It's not coming out the way I thought it would. So I changed my eyeshadow palette to another eyeshadow palette. This is Glam Beauty Obsession eyeshadow palette. I'm using the yellow shade in this palette. This one is coming out well the way I want it. Blending the crease so there won't be any harsh line, blending everything together. Next, I'm lining my waterline with a gold eyeliner. And I'm using the dark brown eyeshadow I use on my outer crease for my lower lash line too. I'm using the dark brown for my lower lash line, the outer part and the inner part. Then I'll now use that yellow eyeshadow I use on my eyelid, on my lower lash line, the middle. Just the same thing I did on my eyes, on my lower lash line too. Next is eyeliner. Lining my eyes with a liquid eyeliner. It's a little wing, little wing, little wing. Next is mascara. Yellow on the lower lash line is making the eyes pop. Next is lashes time. Next, I'm using a powder puff to blend my face, to smoothen the face. Blend everything together. Next is blush. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup. Next is highlighter time. I'm using this Younger Beauty highlighter. It's their Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Kporkish. So I highlight my face. next is lips. I'm using these two I'm using these two matte liquid sorry, I'm using these two matte lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. One is called All Fired Up and one is called Viva Glam 3 for my lips. All Fired Up and Viva Glam 3 for my lips from MAC Cosmetics. And I'm using MAC Cosmetics setting spray. It's that Fix Plus setting spray to set my makeup. The next is my lower lash line mascara for my lower lash line. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to show me love, support me, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Bye.